After more than 18 months of research and development, SimWorks is proud to bring you the first and only production Concorde simulator in the world today. Fully functional in all systems, this is as close to a professional training simulator as it's possible to achieve, and a wonderful chance to bring the Queen of the Skies fully back to life. It's taken us approximately 18 months to do it. It's more or less fully functional, or it can be as fully functional as you wish. It's one-to-one in scale. We've based this current flight model off of software by Collimata, which runs on X-Plane, but equally we could have used any Concorde flight model. We've spent many months CAD designing, making sure that all of the dimensions are correct. We've tried to reproduce everything in as close to the real thing as possible. And we're now making this simulator available as a production simulator. You can customize anything you want on it. But starting from the pedestal, at the moment, many of these items are non-functioning, but they can all function if necessary. The radios on this one are functioning. We have a functional INS system. The ADF functions, all the backlighting and dimming circuits function. The throttle is fully functional and a one-to-one exact replica of the real one. The brakes are functional, the trimmers are all functional. We have dummy communications panels, however the auxiliary autopilot panel is all functional. So more or less everything on here can be made to be fully functional, work or not. We've completely reproduced all of the avionics. They are all fully functional. Everything you see here works exactly like it does in the real aircraft, from the fuel center of gravity all the way through to the VORs, ADF, the VSI is controlled by here. At the moment we're climbing up to a cruise altitude of 60,000 feet, where we'll head through Mach 2, which is obviously what this aircraft is famous for. We have a fully functioning autopilot and navigation panels, so you can navigate yourself around anywhere. The overhead, all of the buttons have been mapped, everything works, all the annunciators work across the entire cockpit, including the annunciators on the engineer's panel. Everything has been reproduced in as much detail as we can get it. Things like being able to dimming controls, everything we can dim and brighten, or dim circuits here and brighten. And I'll show you how the engineering station looks in a minute. There are 4 seats in here. This is going to be the perfect machine if you have a flight experience company, or if you've always dreamed of owning a Concorde, then we've got the perfect simulator for you. Delivery times are roughly 6 months. We expect customers to come in and be able to modify anything they want here to make it functional, dummy, and the price will increase or decrease depending upon what is functional and what isn't. At the moment we have computer screens that are running the avionics systems. When you're in here from a flight experience point of view, they look fantastic. You very quickly forget that they're not analog, but equally so we can make all of these analog. Obviously that increases the price fairly significantly, but it increases the price nevertheless. Or you can have just some analog and some with computer screens running them. I hope that gives you a little bit more information about SimWorks, the Concorde, and what we can do. If you want more information, then please make contact with us, and we thank you for your time today.